Yo, this your boy SR Rico, back for another one. I know it's been like, I don't know, I say like close to a week since we put up a video. I'm sorry, man. I'm just waiting for parts to come in. We got the harness in. Here's the harness right here. Montech TallPines shifter spring. I know Speed Factory makes one just like this one. Probably the same thing, you know, who knows. But yeah, they make this is for the D series. The B series, basically it's like a big dented spring. That's what they call it. I actually have the Speed Factory ones, but I'm gonna find out my transmission that I end up getting, the second one. The first one that cracked, that I split, had the two springs. This one, I guess, is an older one, so they don't use, you know, the springs that you can replace. Here's the springs though. Hold on. Yeah, they call dented springs. Make the shifting a lot better. My boy James D guy actually did a video on him installing one of these. Not this company, Speed Factory, but I'm gonna show you guys how to install one. So let's go to the garage. So now we just gotta remove the starter. Ooh. And it was a 14 too though, baby. Perfect fit. So we just remove top starter bolt. Break that loose. Yeah, I heard this make a big difference in shifter feel. Which is exactly what I want, because when I'm gonna buy the K-Tune shifter, it looks so dope. It's you know, they have to compete with hybrid racing, so I don't blame them. Nice. They have to compete with the hybrid racing shifter, so it's nice. You know, it looked really nice. I'm gonna be running that in the hatch, and people want me to do a side-to-side video comparison. I will be doing that. And this is the bolt you have to loosen. Right there. The spring sits under that bolt right there. That. Hopefully this don't give me don't be a pain in the ass to break. So let's see if we can do it. There we go. We got it though, baby. Lifting cap up, and you have your spring right there. Oh yeah, this is a night and day difference. Like, geez, TallPine spring. And you guys can see the comparison. Oh, it's crazy. I mean, like, ridiculous. This is puny. This right here is so much tighter. Like, just look at the pressure. Like, you can press that, right? Let's use the middle fingers. Press that all the way down. All the way down, with ease. So much tighter, it's crazy. Take your spring and just place it right down. Be like, fuck it, let's run double. That'd be crazy. And then get your cap. And then just place it right over, just like that. Get your bolt. And then get your ratchet. And make sure you don't cross thread this. Oh yeah, I only have one bolt in my starter. So just, put your bolts back in. I gotta find the starter bolt. And that's basically all it is to it. Remove your starter, loosen the bolt, take the spring out, put your detent spring in, put the bolt back in, make sure you don't cross thread it, and you're good. Happy shifting. So we back in the house. Now we can get into the Montech wire harness. Now, as you guys can see, we have the harness. Came in the mail today. Something I've been waiting for. Only thing I need now is the axles. Now a shifter, because I'm finna change my shifter to the new K-Tune. I call it the Phantom shifter. They call it the Circuit X. But to me, I think the Phantom shifter sounds way better than the Circuit X. I just seen the preview on Instagram. I didn't even know that K-Tune was coming out with a shifter to compete with the hybrid racing shifter, and it looks real nice. It looks real nice, and it's cheaper, way cheaper. Like I think the hybrid shifter I paid like close to like $300 for already right now. Then seeing that shifter for like $170, the K-Tune one already. I'm not telling y'all where at because I want to buy it first myself, then I tell y'all. But yeah, we'll be buying that shifter. But harness, shifter, shift linkage, and we golden, baby. We golden. Oh yeah, I got the head resurfaced, looking mighty nice. Let me show you guys. Fresh new deck, baby, by Carl's and Corona. Shout out to Carl's and Corona. If you guys in that area, go to Carl's. Really good machine shop. Do really good work. Good price too. About the Montech harness. Now, first of all, I know some people might give me some shit for this, but right now, just first glance, from what I can see, like, it's top notch. It's top notch, dude. Like, it's top notch. So let's get into it. So this is the passenger side. And then we got the injectors right here, the injector clips. These extra clips that you guys see right here did not come with the harness. These came with the injectors. I had to do a little modify them so they would fit, but they fit perfect. And driver side right here. And as for the quality, this is what this video is about. The quality, like the connectors. Fresh OEM connectors is on point. Like, on point. I done went across all these connectors, you know, trying to pull a wire out. Nothing loose. Like, look at the quality. Like, this shit is on par with fucking Y-wire. Like, for real. I know a lot of people be like, what the fuck? No way that's on par with Y-wire. Cut all that fanboyish, whatever. We looking at the quality right here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Y-wire, you know, they got they super thin harness is, you know, is wrapped in something different, but you know, Y-wire is not putting the damn copper into the casing itself. So come on now, like, wire is wire. I have not seen nobody with no complaints on the Montech harnesses. Real good quality, man. It's extra nice. And on the reverse sensors right here. Damn, my hands are super ashy. Look like I've been breaking brakes. But yeah. And these holes right here, and these clips right here, there was gaskets to plug these up. I like that a lot. That came with the harness. That was really nice. I had to take those out. But like, the overall quality of the clips is just awesome. Like, I went over every clip, and I have found nothing remotely loose whatsoever. Like, the quality on here is man, it's just really nice. Really nice. Thick, sturdy too. Yeah, I do recommend Montech. Little run over review of Montech harness. This also look like Y-wire, like mid somewhat the sub harness. But yeah, man, like, anybody on it, look at the quality, dude. Like, the quality is on fucking point. Like, the quality of the wires, man, the wires they use is nice. It's really nice. I'm sorry, dude, but shit, I will buy this again any day. I know some people will be like, you know, no way in hell that sort of quality of wire. You know, people got they loyal brand of things. You know, I got my loyal brand of Garrett turbos. I don't blame y'all, but yeah, you know, I do recognize. I do recommend this harness. It's top notch, on point. Connectors is on point. No flaws that I can see whatsoever. And yeah, love it. Head resurfaced. I don't know who the hell's knocking on the door like they crazy, but heads resurfaced. Got the harness, the detent spring. Now we just need the axles, baby. The shifter, shift linkage, and we home free. But this your boy SR Rico. Just a little install, a little review. Whoop whoop, daddle. And I'm out. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace.